Hello guys, can you hear me? Am I audible to all of you? Am I audible to all of you? Am I audible to all? So you guys can hear me, right? Okay, let's start. So lines and angle, this is our topic for today's quiz. And in today's quiz, we are going to cover some of the most important questions on lines and angles. Okay, so let us see. Okay, so lines and angles, practice problems for CBSE class 9 students. That is our topic today, and you guys know already all about Unacademy, but this is just to inform you for the new students. Unacademy is one of the India's largest learning platform. Live sessions with best educators, live practice questions with educators, weekly quizzes, live doubt clearing sessions, and notes. Everything is available in Unacademy. So I wish to copy you the code ST18. I wish you to copy the code ST18. Okay, this code will be helpful for you in case you are willing to uh, hello, hello Princhi, can you guys hear me? So today's topic will be live quiz on lines and angles. Okay, so we are going to, I have supposed to gather all the questions of important questions on lines and angles together, and I made this quiz for you guys. So I wish you to answer the questions on the chat. Okay, okay, so before we start, we'll talk a little bit about Unacademy. So India's largest learning platform, live sessions with the best educators, live practice questions with educators, weekly quizzes, live doubt clearing classes are the features of Unacademy. So if you are willing to join, if you wish to experience all this, then go for the ST18 code. It will give you a 10% discount. You will get that on the you will get all these details in the description of this video also. Okay, so we are offering class 9 to class 12 all the subjects, the subscriptions. So the subscriptions are not subject specific, they are time specific. That means say I am subscribing for 6 months, so on those 6 months I will be able to subscribe, I mean take classes on all the subjects that are in offer on Unacademy platform. Unlimited course you will be able to join. You will be able to learn live from the comfort of your house. Then unlimited access to all courses, top educators in one platform, regular doubt clearing sessions, live test series, study material in the PDF format, answer writing session, mentorship, and exhaustive coverage of the syllabus. Everything is possible there in Unacademy. So try to go ahead go for the subscription. For that you have to just go to the unacademy.com for this, and then you have to select the course, I mean the batch that you are going for. Okay, then after that, that will be called your goal. Once you do that, you have to then select say CBSE 9th, then you have to select for how many months you are going to subscribe for. Say you are going to subscribe for 6 months or 12 months. These are the most value packed subscription. So in case you are going for 12-month subscription, so per month subscription cost will be 1042 rupees per month, and if you are using the code ST18, you will get a 10% of discount. So per month pricing will come 938 rupees per month. Okay, so per month pricing will be 938 rupees per month, and that is going to be your answer. Okay, 938 rupees per month. Multiple subscription plan, new course launches every week. That are the specialties of the Unacademy courses. Okay, let's start with our topic. First of all, facts and formulas of this chapter we'll be discussing in brief. So first, facts and formulas under which it comes that angle. Okay, so what is called an angle? When two rays AB and AC having a common endpoint and point A, it forms an angle BAC. Okay, so right, will be written as angle BAC or just angle A. So this is the point. Okay, uh, this the ray or the arms. This is also arms. This is the vertex of the angle, and this is the angle itself. Okay, the measurement of this angle will be written as M angle BAC. Okay, so say this measurement is 60 degree on the protector, then the measurement of angle BAC will be written as 60 degrees. So we use the degree measurement. The unit that we'll be using is known as the degree measurement. Okay, now what is called right angle? The based on the measurement of the angles, we have some of the classification of angles. So first of all, we have the right angle. What is a right angle? An angle whose measure is exactly 90 degree. Angle whose measurement is exactly 90 degree is called right angle triangle. Then we have acute angle. Okay, so what is an acute angle triangle? So the angle whose measurement is more than 0 but less than 90. Okay, more than 0 but less than 90. So that's called an acute angle. So what is an acute angle? Angle measurement which is between 0 to 90. Okay, more than 0 but less than 90. 0 degree less than the angle theta less than 90 degree is called the acute angle. Okay, if it is exactly 90, then it is called right angle. Clear? What is called obtuse angle? Obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle will be when the measurement of the angle is more than 90 but less than 180. More than 90 but less than 180. It's called obtuse angle triangle. Okay, so that's called obtuse angle. Now what is called a straight angle? An angle whose measurement is 180 called straight angle. Angle whose measurement is 180 called straight angle. So this is a straight angle which is exactly equals to, if the angle is exactly equals to 180 degree, it gives you a straight line. That's called an straight angle. Okay, so this is A, this is B, and the angle is here. So angle AOB is going to be 180 degree. So it actually gives you an exactly a straight line, then it is a straight angle. Okay, good morning, good evening Niti, welcome to the class. So reflex angle, what is called a reflex angle? Reflex angle is when an angle whose measurement is more than 180 but less than 360 degree. Measurement of the angle when it is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree, it is called reflex angle. So for example, the angle will be look like this. So this is a reflex angle. Okay, so this is an example of a reflex angle. Then a complete angle, when the angle measurement is exactly 360 degree, it is called a complete angle. Okay, this is something which is called a complete angle. Okay, so what is called a complete angle? Complete angle is an angle whose measurement is exactly 360 degree, that is called a complete angle. Okay, fine. Hello Rohit, good evening. Any doubt, you can just write down on the chat itself. Okay, I will take all your doubts from the chat. Next comes the topic called adjacent angle. What is called an adjacent angle? Okay, so adjacent angles are angles. Two angles are called adjacent if they have a common vertex, a common arm, and the non-common arms are exactly opposite to the common arm. They need to be opposite side to the common arm. Okay, so that gives you an adjacent angle. For example, if I try to draw the figure, then it will be something like this. So this is A, O, B, C. Okay, so angle AOC and angle BOC. So in between this angle, this is something which is common, and this is non-common, right? So these are non-common arms. These arms are non-common arms. So so it says that both the angles, the AOC and BOC, should have a common vertex. We already have it, like the same vertex O. Yash, I'm very good. Yash, how are you? The common arm, so the common arm is OC and non-common arm is OA and OB. Okay, the non-common arms are OA and OB. So this is our adjacent angles. Okay, now linear pair of angles, two adjacent angles are said to form a linear pair if their sum is 180. Linear pair of angles, two adjacent angles are said to form a linear pair if their sum is 180. Okay, so any two angle, if their sum is 180, they are called linear pair. They need to be adjacent. For example, this angle and this angle. Thank you Yash for confirming. So ACD and BCD, these two angles are adjacent because they have a common arm, right? They have a common arm. Non-common arm are exactly opposite to the common arm, and they have a common vertex. When I add them up, it gives me a straight line ACB. So that means they are, if I add them up, their sum is 180. That means the angles are supplementary to each other, right? Hi Nasiruddin, namaste. How are you Nasiruddin? So they are the linear pair angles. Okay, so same concept is also applicable here. If the ray stands on a line, then sum of the adjacent angles so formed are 180. There is a ray standing on a line, then sum of the angles so formed will be 180. So angle ACD plus BCD will be 180, and they are also the linear pair of angles. Okay, okay, fine. Let's go to the next topic. The sum of the angles formed of the same side of the line at given point on the line is 180. So if there is a line and there are some of the rays are coming from that particular point, and if I try to add all the angles here, that is AC, AOC, COD, DOE and BOE, then they add up to 180. Doesn't matter how many angles we are dividing the actual angle AOB in, they all will add up to 180, because when I add them up it gives me a straight line AOB, right? So it is completely a straight angle. Sum of the angles around the point is 360 degree, that is called angles at a point. So in that case the figure will come like this. So it doesn't matter how many angles are there, if I add 1 2 3 4 5 6, all the angles up, they add up to 180 degree. Okay, then vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle, what is vertically opposite angles? Two angles will be vertically opposite if two lines are intersecting each other. So here we have AB and CD, two lines intersecting each other, right? So we have two lines intersecting each other. If I try to have a vertically opposite angle, then vertically opposite angles will be ACD and BOC, AOC and BOC, right? Yes, Niti, there will be questions. So AOD and COB will be the vertically opposite angle, and AOC and BOD also will be the vertically opposite angles. Here sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, that is a well-known factor. Now we are coming up with the questions. Okay, so this is the first question given. It is given if L1 and L2, what L1 is parallel to L2, what is the value of y? If L1 is parallel to L2, then what is the value of y? Okay, so here some of the angles are given. You have to tell me what is the correct answer you are getting, then I will let you know that what is the exactly correct answer, and then we will be discussing about the question. So just let me know on the chat that what is the correct answer for this question. So what will be the correct answer? I'm waiting for your answers. Niti says 135 degree. Okay. Yash says 150 degree. Fine. Anyone else? Nasir, Princhi, Rohit, anyone else can tell me what will be the, Niti says 135 degree and Yash says 150 degree, option C and option D. So tell me what should be the correct answer? Anyone else? I'm just waiting for your replies and then I will solve it. Yes says it will be it said it can be either A, B, C, D. We know, Yash, that it will be either of A, B, C, D, one of the four options. Okay, let's see what we can get it from. Only 3 participants are. Princhy says 150. Yes, okay. So let us solve it. So if this angle is 3x degree, then this angle is 3x degree. So can anyone tell me how? If this angle is 3x degree, this angle is also 3x degree. So can anyone tell me how? Because they are vertically opposite angle, right? Now if this angle is 3x degree and this angle also should be 3x degree, right? Why? They are corresponding angles, right? So they also will be corresponding angles, right? Okay, so that means y degree we got it as 3x degree, right? Now if you add this two angle up, that is y degree plus x degree, that should be 180, right? So 3x degree plus x degree is equals to 180, right? So 4x degree equals to 180, right? So x degree equals to 180 divided by 4, that gives me 45 degree, right? So this is x is 45, but we are supposed to find out the value of y, right? So we know y is nothing but 3 times x. 3 times 45, that is 135 degree, right? 3 times 45 is 135 degrees. So option C is the correct answer, right? Anyone having any doubt? So we see that only Niti was the only one who got the answer correct, not Princhi or Yash. So Niti was only one who got the answer correct. So is it clear, or any doubt if you have? Just let me know. Yes, Niti, you told me 135 degree, right, Niti? Option C? Yeah, that's the correct answer, right? We are also getting the same, y as 135 degree. Is it clear? So let's go to the next question, okay? Chalo. So in this figure, L1 is parallel to L2, L3 is parallel to L4. What is the y in terms of x? You have to find out y in terms of x. Okay, so let's try this question and tell me what you can So what will be the correct answer in this question? I didn't get you, Ashu. I don't understand you. What do you mean by that? Okay, Niti. Niti got C as 90° minus x by 2. Okay. Okay, Niti. Let's see. What about Yash? You got the correct, you got the answer? Yash? Yash? You got the answer? And what about Prichi? You two got the answer? So 90 minus x by 2, you got that answer, right, Niti? Okay, let's see. So how we can solve this question? So 90 minus x by 2, okay, let's try this question. So if this angle is y, we know this angle is y also, right? And if this is y, this is also y. If this is x, this is x, right? Okay. So if this angle is x, we can say this angle is also x by corresponding angle property, right? Isn't it? If this angle is x, this angle is also x. So that is corresponding angle property, right? Now, if I see this angle here and this entire angle here is two angles which are uh, 2y degree equals to 180 because they are co-interior angles, right? They are corresponding interior angles. So 2y degree is 180° minus x, right? So y degree is going to be 180° minus x divided by 2, right? Or we can write in this way also. Instead of directly writing by 90, we can write it in this way, like 180 by 2 minus x by 2, right? So that gives me 90 minus x by 2, right? So it means option C is the correct answer. Simple, right? Option C is the correct answer. Clear? Simple? Sure. Any doubt? Anyone? We'll go to the next question. It says L is parallel to M, then which value of x is correct? L is parallel to M, then which value of x is correct? Okay, try this. Try this and let me know that what answer you guys are having for this one. Anyone just let me know that what answer it should have. Niti says 70. 70 or 60? Hello Mohit. 60. Option A. Okay, Niti. Thank you for answering. Anyone else? What do you guys think should be the correct answer? The value of x will be 60. Yash has answered the value of x will be 60. Very good, Yash. So here the answer of this question will be option A. Now we'll see how we can do that. Okay. So here this angle here and this angle here, what type of angle are they? What sort of angle are these two? They are alternate interior angle, right? So in case I have alternate interior angle, that should be same, right? So if I equate y equals to 2y plus 25, the y comes out to be 25 degree, right? Isn't it? Okay. So that is my 25 degree, right? Y is 25 degree. But we are supposed to find out the value of x, right? Okay. So if this y is 25 degree, then this angle will become 75 degree, right? Now this angle there, this angle here, and this angle here are the same thing, right? Yes. So if these two angles are same, then I can write 75 degree equals to x plus 15 degree, right? That two angle equal, that means the because they are corresponding angle, right? So from here we are getting x as 75 degree minus 15 degree, that is 60 degree, right? So x is as 60 degree. Option A we are getting as the correct answer. Okay. Yes, Niti, we can use the vertical opposite angle also, that 2y plus 25. So if I substitute, I get this also as 75, and then I can equate them. Okay. So anyway, the x value will come as 60 degree, right? We'll go to the next question. Okay. So in this question, it says if the line segment AB, if the line segment AB is parallel to the line segment CD. So AB is parallel to the line segment CD. What is the value of y? What will be the value of y? That's what I have to find out. Very simple question. Try to think and tell me what is the value of y. Try and tell me what is the value of y when AB is parallel to CD given. Try to think about the properties of parallel lines and the transversal and tell me what is the value of y we are getting here. We have Mohit with us. Anyone else? Nidhi says y is equals to 20. Preeti says y is 20. Yash says 20. Very good, all of you. You guys are very good. So all of you says the option D is the correct answer. Now we'll try to see that how we can do it. So this angle is here 5 degree, right? So what will be this entire angle here? This entire angle here is actually 4y degree, right? Y degree plus 4y degree. Now if I add them up, they are what kind of angle? They are co-interior angles, right? So co-interior angles are always add up to 180 degree. So 4y degree plus 5y degree equals to 180 degree. So 9y degree equals to 180 degree. Y degree is equals to 20 degree, right? So y degree is equals to 20 degree. So value of y is coming out to be 20 in this question. Okay, so y degree is equals to 20 degrees. So this is going to be option D as the correct answer. So we are having option D as the correct answer. Okay, let's move on to the next question. It says CP is parallel to DQ, then what is the measurement of X? CP is parallel to DQ, then what is the measurement of X? 30 degree, 130 degree, 105 degree, 75 degree, 125 degree. CP is parallel to BQ, right? CP is parallel to BQ, then that's BQ, then what is the value of X? Okay, that's what you have to figure out. What will be the value of X in this question? What is going to be the value of X? Just waiting for your answers. Yash says 105, Preeti says 105. Niti says 130. Okay, now we are getting different answers. So you guys just check your answers and then tell me what you guys are getting. So Niti, can you tell me on chat that how you got 130, and same with the Princhi and Yash, that how you guys getting 105 or 130, what method exactly you have tried, so that I can understand that this is the way you guys are thinking this question. Anyone? Just let me know on the chat that what was your thinking, like how you guys solved this question. Princhi, Niti, Yash, how you guys solved this question? I believe Yash and Princhi thought that this X and 105 are corresponding angles, right? If I am not wrong, isn't it? So no, this is not the way of doing it. If you guys have done that, the best way of doing this question is going to be like, I have to extend the PC side. Just think if I can do it. Okay, so when I extend the PC, I get a parallel line, right, with BQ, isn't it? Okay, so if I get a parallel line with BQ, then I can say this angle here, the small angle here, okay, this small angle here is going to be 105 degree. right? The small angle here is going to be 105 degree. Okay, so in this case we are getting 105 degree because this angle and this angle are corresponding angles, right? So that is 105 degree, isn't it? Okay, now just look at this triangle. Say I name this triangle as M. So if I look at this triangle CMA, AM and C, this is 25 degree, this angle is here X, and this is 105 degree, right? Isn't it? So we know there is a formula that says that when I have a exterior angle of a triangle, like say you have a triangle, you are extending one of its side as exterior angle, it is equals to sum of its opposite interior angle. Okay, we can say x degree equals to a degree plus b degree. Clear? X degree is equals to a degree plus b degree. So external angle is equals to sum of opposite to internal angle. So if I apply that concept here, then I can say if this is x degree, this x degree can be written as sum of opposite to internal angle, that is 130 degree. Okay, so this is what we are getting the answer as. Okay, so this is what our answer is. Anyone having any doubt, you can just let me know, but this is the answer of this question. X equals to 130 degrees, so option A comes out to be the correct answer. Option A comes out to be the correct answer. Frenchy, yes sir, X equals to 130. Thank you. Niti is 130 corresponding, yeah. So clear? Chalo, let's go to the next question. So next question says that in this figure, AB is parallel to HF, DE is parallel to FG. FDE, what will be the measurement of FDE? That means they are asking about what will be the measurement of this angle here. Okay. Anyone having any answer? Just let me know what you guys getting the answer as. Just let me know what you guys getting the answer as. AB is parallel to HF, DE is parallel to FG. So what is your answer? Niti says B 180. Sorry, 80. Rinchi says 80. Okay, so it's 80. So you guys say is option B. What about Yash? Anyone else with the answer? Anyone else with the answer? You say the option B, right? Okay, we'll check what will be the correct answer for this. So I can see HF is something which is parallel to AB, right? So this angle here and this angle here is two corresponding angles, right? This is 28 degree, right? They are corresponding angles. I even don't need DE is parallel to FG. I don't need that, because here I can see this is in straight line, right? So entire angle will be 180. So 20, if I consider that to be X, then 28 degree plus X degree plus 72 degree is equals to 180 degree, right? So that means X degree plus 100 degree is equals to 180 degree. So X degree is equals to 180 degree minus 100 degree, right? That gives me 80 degree as the answer, right? So this angle X comes out to be 80 degree as the answer. Okay, so option B is the correct answer. Let's go for the next question. Any doubt? I believe that's quite easy, right? Let's go for the next question. It's given in this figure, line L is parallel, line L and M are parallel. Then what is the value of this X? What is the value of this X? Okay, line L and M are parallel. Then what is the value of X? Okay, solve and tell me what is the value of X. Anyone with the answer? Niti says B45. Okay, Niti. Anyone else with the answer? Niti says B45 degree. Anyone else with the answer? Pinchy says I think B is 45. Okay, let's see. So if this is 65 degree, this angle also will be 65 degree, right? If this is 65, this angle also going to be 65 degree. Why? They are corresponding angles, right? Now if you look at this triangle here, the 65 degree is exterior angle, right? This next this outside the 65 degrees is an exterior angle, so 65 degrees is equals to x degree plus 20 degree. So x degree is equals to 45 degrees. So option B is the correct answer, 45 degree. So option B is the correct answer. Now let's go to the next question. AB parallel to CD, then what is x? AB parallel to CD, then what is x? Okay, AB is parallel to CD, then what is the value of x? Anyone having any doubt? Just let me know also. Just let me know what will be the correct answer on the chat. Only 3. So AB is parallel to CD, then X is equals to what? Right? That's what we are getting. AB is parallel to CD, then X equals to what? Anyone with the answer? Hi Yuvraj, how are you? So Niti, you got it? Princhi, Niti, Yash, Valbhagat, Yuvraj, any one of you got the correct answer or not? No one? Okay. So what we are trying to do here, I'm trying to draw one more parallel line here, okay? Because this is called, this particular type of problem are called pencil tip problem, okay? So I'm trying to draw one more parallel line which is passing through the P and parallel to AB and CD both, okay? So if this is 130 degree, this angle, these two angles will be co-interior angle, right? So this angle here, this much is going to be 180 degree minus 132 degree. That gives me 8 carry 1, 3 and 1, 4, so 48 degree. So this angle is here 48 degree, right? If so, then we can say that this angle here is going to be, the entire angle was, what was the entire angle? 48, right? So this is yeah, so this entire angle was 48, 148, right? So that means this entire angle was 100 degree, right? This entire angle was 100 degree. Now these two angles, these two lines are parallel, so this 100 degree and this X are two corresponding angles, right? So that means X is also equals to 100 degree. So option A is the correct answer, right? Option A is going to be the correct answer. Yes, Niti, option A is the correct answer. Always in case of a pencil tip problem, there is to be two type of problem, like one looks like this and another one looks like this. All those cases, just try to draw a line which will be parallel to both given lines, okay? Which will be parallel to both given lines. All these cases, just try to draw the same thing. Yeah, one more additional parallel line, you will get the answer, okay? Fine, let's go to the next question. In this question it says that what is the value of X here, okay? what is the value of x when L is parallel to M? What is the value of x? So that is what the question is. What is the value of x when L is, no issue Niti, don't worry about that at all. So what will be answer for this question? We already have done a question similar to this. So question is, what will be the answer for this question? Hi Shahja Khatun. Niti says option C is the correct answer. Let's see. If this angle is 70 here, this angle is also 70 degree, right? Corresponding angles, because LM is parallel and this is the transversal, right? So if this is 70 degree, the x plus 30, this is an exterior angle to this triangle, right? So 70 degree is equals to x plus 30 degree, right? So x is equals to 70 degree minus 30 degree, that gives me 40 degree, right? So basically x is 40 degree, right? So option C is the correct answer. Okay, let's go to the next question. So this is the question given in which you have to find out the value of x. Okay, let's see what will be the correct answer. We need to get the value of x. Hello Animesh Sinha. Niti says 105. Yes, that's perfect, because this angle as, yes, 105 Princi is the correct answer. This angle is 65, so this angle is also 65 degree, right? Now if I look at this triangle here, this x is the external angle, right? So x is equals to 65 plus 40, so that gives me 105 degree as the correct answer. Okay, 105 degree as the correct answer. So that's what about today's class. We solved some of the very important questions. So for such classes, just join Unacademy Plus platform, use the code ST18, you will get the every link and required code in the description below. 10% discount is available on Plus subscription if you are using this particular code ST18. Okay, don't forget to like the class, share the video with others if you think that class was helpful for you guys. Okay, and thank you for joining. Next we'll be having again a class on next Tuesday and Saturday and Friday, regular timing. So thank you for joining.